Do not tell me I didn't warn you. The White House has published a plan to wipe out the people of Gaza. The Trump administration has developed a proposal designed to remove the people from Gaza and replace them with what they call the Trump Riviera. The plan has a name. It's called the Gaza Reconstruction, Economic Acceleration, and Transformation Trust. Yes, it spells out great, but it's everything other than great because it's designed to deny the people of Gaza of their right to live there or to simply exist as a people. The population at this point has two options: either voluntarily relocate through some incentives or what they called confinement, which is isolation in secured areas with no possibility of movement. And I think it's becoming painfully clear at this point, as if it weren't clear before, what the relentless leveling of the infrastructure in Gaza and the consistent violations of human rights by the IDF has been up until this point. And that is fracturing literally the will of the people of Gaza to live there and deleting their country completely so that investors can come in and do their bidding. And I'll do a deep dive on my Substack about the people behind this plan, but for right now, the most important thing is that nowhere in this plan is there mention of a Palestinian statehood. It would take about 10 years to build the Riviera. During these 10 years, there would be a trust that sets the rule for how people that still live there are allowed to live. And after this, there would be what's called a technocratic outside state, which is not a self-government, therefore depriving the people of Gaza of their right to self-determination. It's important to point out that even those that take the incentive and leave are not winning. People aren't being asked to leave a town. They're being asked to leave their country, which will no longer exist. These people aren't just being paid to give up their home. They're being paid to give up their identity as a people. This is not just a plan. It is a document that formalizes international human rights violations. From the forcible removal of some who don't want to leave, to the denial of the right of free movement of those that stay behind, to the overall denial of a right to self-determination of everyone who has ever lived there. We're talking about massive international human rights violations that are being allowed by a country that considers itself the freest country in the world. We're witnessing this systemic elimination of an entire people, and we're not just allowing it to happen, we're fostering it. And for that, we should all be ashamed.